Do you have a rock rattling around in the back seat of your car and you can't figure where it's coming from? It's not on the floor mats, but it's there somewhere. Well, maybe it's fallen into the vent system underneath the two front seats. That hole is wide open. I had a rock fall in there and it was stuck there for a month. And it was annoying because as I was driving around, if I accelerated, I could hear it roll around. If I hit the brake, it would roll around left and right. It just, I couldn't figure it out. I ended up having to take like a big, huge leaf blower and blow in, and finally I was able to get it out. And now I'm going to install these rear seat vent covers for your Tesla Model 3 or Y. And they're super easy. They just slide on top and then that's it. There's nothing else to do. They lock into place, and this will prevent any of the rocks, coins, or anything like that falling in there and making those crazy noises that I've had for quite some time. Again, this is such a design flaw by Tesla to just have open vents. I've never seen it before. Anyway, let's go ahead. Let's get these installed. It'll take a minute and then we're good and protected. Now that I've got that pebble out of there, I don't want anything else to get in there. So let's go ahead and do that. The first thing you want to do is move the seat all the way forward so you get access to it. There we go. So now it's all the way forward. You can get small little rocks like this that are rolling around, and someone just kicks it in there. Now once it gets in there, it's really hard to get out. So you can see on the top here, it has like a little ledge here. So we're just going to put that here. And there you go, it's locked into place. And that's going to prevent stuff from going in there. So you can see here I've got scuff marks. This is where people are like kicking up rocks and stuff and they just get in there. Once they get in, they're really hard to get out. So again, I'm just going to put that in there. And that's how it looks. I hope this video helped you fix a problem in your car. I know it's done that for me. So if you're interested in purchasing these or any other products from EV Base, I've got a link down in the description. Use my discount code BCTeslaGuy. It'll save you at least 20% depending on what sales they're running. You could even get more. And again, thanks for watching my video, and we'll catch you on the next one.